First things first, in order to start using shopping ads, make sure you've already set up a Google Merchant Center account, uploaded your product details, and linked the account to Google Ads. If this is your first time setting up shopping ads, it's recommended to use Smart Shopping campaigns to simplify campaign management. With Smart Shopping campaigns, ad placement and bidding are automated to maximize your conversion value at your given budget. You'll also gain access to inventory across other Google surfaces, such as YouTube, Gmail, and Google Display. Before you set up a Smart Shopping campaign, you'll need to set up conversion value tracking and remarketing. You've probably already set these up, but if not, you can do so by adding a tag to your website. To get started, sign in to Google Ads. In the page menu on the left, click Campaigns. Click the plus button, then select New Campaign. Choose Sales as the goal for your campaign. For campaign type, choose Shopping. Select your Merchant Center account and the country in which these products are sold. Select Smart Shopping campaign and click Continue. Now, name your campaign and include your budget. For the next step, choose the bidding strategy that reflects your business goals. By default, bidding is set to maximize conversion value. If you have a specific performance goal, check the box to add a target return on ad spend. Next, choose specific products or groups of products that you'd like to advertise in your campaign. Adding all of your products into a single campaign can make it easier to manage. Keep in mind, if you do not designate specific products or groups, all of your products will be eligible to appear in your ads. If you have very different ROAS goals or budgets for specific products or groups of products, it's recommended to split these groups into separate campaigns with separate budgets. Keep in mind that the products used in your campaign should have a history of 100 conversions in the last 30 days whenever possible. Lastly, upload your assets, such as a logo, image, and text. Click Save, and you're all set. These assets will be used to create responsive remarketing ads for Google Display and YouTube. Your assets will be automatically combined in various ways to create ads, and those with the highest performance will show more often. The Recommendations tab of your campaign is a great place to easily optimize your performance over time. Remember to revisit your campaign structure and goals periodically as your business goals change. Up next, tips to help keep your shopping campaign running smoothly.